talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on TikTok app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on TikTok app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll enter to the window or to the app of TikTok, and you can click here in this page. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data, because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.